So hello guys, welcome to a new video. Today I am playing Murder Mystery 2 in Roblox, and people know where am I, no one know where am I. So I showing you how to go here and never got killed in Murder Mystery. Murder Mystery. First, how to go up? You need to go factory map, factory 1. Sorry, factory 2. Stand here, okay? Come with me, guys. Here. Oh, bro, stay. Now, here. And no one can found you now. Bro, no one can found me. Bro, I'm just looking hacker. Hacker, bro, hacker. Why people, bro? Just subscribe me. I will give you more tips and tricks. The video is not till end. Okay? The video is not end. Watch and you need to watch full video, and I show you 10 top secret rooms you can hide and kill and hide. And if you got shifter, I don't know, if you get murderer, if you be a murderer, you can kill. I show you 10. This is the one myth I will show you now. 9 left, so I can take some token. No one here. I'm just taking some token, guys. Oh guys, there's too much token. Early. Take it. Go. Early. Take. 5. I got so much tokens. Yeah, guys. I am just catching some tokens. No way, bro. No way. There's no one. I know there's a secret entrance in the game, but I can't sure it will be. I have act toy. Give me that rich people shit. Early, take coins. We got victory, guys! Yeah! Victory! Ooh, jiggy lala hoo. I got 14 coins. 14 coins, guys. I got 14 coins. I don't know why, but just I got hero. Yeah, hero saved the day, guys. Hero saved the day, bro. 1000, bro. Are you serious? Whoa, guys, chill, bro. It's so what the hell, bro? What the hell? It's gonna be this striker 99, bro. What the fuck? Hell, it's going on here, bro. Can you give something, please? Corman, please, bro. I need, bro. So old player. Mod, sit, ninja. Have all emotes and all of this. Right. The match is gonna start. Yeah. Bro, I'm gonna just kill. Bro! Chill, man. Chill. So, first you need to go here. Bro, this guy was murderer. Well, this is the second hiding spot I show you here. So I think this could not see me. Bro, do you see the murderer? My god. Bro, I saw. Okay. Bro, I don't know. I just see it. The murderer. So I don't care. I will taking my coins. I don't care about murderer, shredder. Shimla Mirch. Murderer. It's not a Shimla Mirch. I'm just taking my all token, guys. Bro, I have so much tokens. You can get my tokens. Yeah. Egg. No. Here. I got token. This. Oh, bro. Don't do that again. Here's token. Take it. Early. So I'm waiting for some time. Loading for token. No, oh my god, there's too much. I also need just money. Okay, guys. You need to take some money. I know. No! Hell not. Shit. Again. Woo. Bro. Again. GG sign. Bro, what is GG's? Bro, what is GG? GG. Go. Bro, I have sit on dialogue. Dumb chick, dumb dad, damn, doom, dim, chick, ching, damned. Ninja stat. Fools. Give me that rich people. Ha. Yeah, guys. We are going so much faster. No. This is very bad, guys. Yeah, I am the last people. Trade with this. Trade. Bro, let me trade with this guy. Bro, what the fuck? Bro, just look his murderer. What the fuck? Incorrect. The murder is more than incorrect. How? Bro, what the fuck? There's too much. How is that too much? Bro, what the hell? Oh no, I need this guy or no. Bro! The guy's murderer, hell not. Bro, what the fuck? Huh? So today is the video. Bye. Second part come in 2 days.